Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norach Senga. If this is your first time viewing, I officially welcome you. So before you can continue viewing, please subscribe and press the notification button to get notified whenever I put up content. So today's video has basically been inspired by how the whole entire world is in quarantine, and then many people have sort of suffered a setback in business and in anything that they're doing at the moment. So I wanted to talk about how I had 3 businesses and they all came crashing at the same time and my experience with that. So firstly, I used to make wigs, and I still do that. Then I would sell Salaula tops, like I'll get tops from Salaula and resell them and all. And I still do that, but then like not full time, like part time and all. Then I had a friend who was in China who started an online store. Like we used to be the middlemen in the business, and then would like help people order stuff from China and then gain something from there. But then somewhere in December, January, like late last year and early this year, I suffered a very terrible setback in everything. Like so I found myself crediting, like I had to borrow money in order for me to cushion my losses and all. But then it turned out to be a bad idea because it put me in really bad debt. And then I found myself so depressed because I constantly kept on thinking about what I did wrong, where did I go wrong? Because when I had a vision for my business and everything that I did, I looked at it as something that is going to be successful and smooth, like throughout. Like I didn't think of the losses because I had planned it so well that there was no way that I could encounter losses along the way, but it happened. So what do you do when you encounter a loss? So a setback in a business is not there to tell you to quit and stop. Like I remember I had a conversation with a friend a few days ago, and I told them saying business entrepreneurship is not for the faint-hearted. Like you need to be strong because you're on your way out there, you're gonna suffer a lot of losses. So when you encounter a setback, there's practically something that you need to learn from there. So what is it that you're supposed to learn? Sometimes we as human beings, we get too comfortable with the profit that we're making. So that setback that you encounter is just there to push you to your next stage. Like, you know, so if you are going to succeed in a business and move on to the next stage, you need to be strong because you're always going to encounter losses one way or another, or you're going to encounter a setback. So don't think that when you encounter a setback, it's like nature or the world or anything telling you saying you're not good at it, you need to stop doing whatever you're doing. Actually, you need to stay strong and continue. It's okay for you to like take a step back and relax and think of ways of revamping your business. So that whole period when you're not doing anything because you've suffered so many losses, it's there for you to think and re-strategize your plans and all. Basically, that's what you're supposed to do. So there are so many people out there, like the economists, they're all talking about how it's going to take years for the world to recover because of the COVID pandemic and all. But then here's what I'm going to say is that if you believe in your plans, if you believe in your dreams, don't listen to what the world has to say. Believe in what you have, what you carry in you. And if you believe that what you carry in you has got a possibility of changing the world out there, put it on the market and let your ideas, sell your ideas to the world and let it change something. Yeah, so that's all I had to share today. And if you have any comment, any advice that you want to send out to people who have like recently suffered losses because of this pandemic, you can leave them down in the comment section below. And you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'm gonna leave my details down in the description below. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.